Welcome back to another Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today I got this beautiful home. Okay, it's the Estero floor plan. It has 1,981 square feet under air, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, and a triple car garage. Okay, this is kind of like a model home, so it's furnished inside. So it looks very good inside. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go around the home like I always do in my videos, and then we'll move in. Okay, so let's get going. Let me stand over here. As you can see, the home has a very nice and classic look. And this one is on a triple lot. So if you want to know what a triple lot looks like in Cape Coral, this is what a triple lot looks like. You have nice space between both sides of the house. They're very rare, but you may be able to find them still. So if you want information on building, if you're thinking about building a home here and you need a triple lot, just let me know. Wait 1 second. Sorry about that. So just let me know, and I could look at them up for you to show you all the triple lots that are available in Cape Coral. So you can see, this home has a very nice landscape. You got your AC over there, your sprinkler system. Your water shut-off valve is also in the front of the home. Most of the builders are putting it there. And you have a very nice lanai out in the back. And now let me get over here to the corner so that you can see the size of the lot. Okay, this is what 120 by 120 lot looks like. And over here, we're actually building another house here and another one over there. This neighborhood is very in construction mode. You see they're building a nice pool there. Okay, let's continue with this house. So as you can see, it has very nice landscaping. You have a very nice area to be outside here. That lanai has plenty of space. Over there on the right, you have an area to put a kitchen. So as you can see, you got your hookup for the water and electrical outlets for it. So we'll look at it closely when we go inside the house. Okay, so today's a beautiful day here in Cape Coral. I mean, you can't get any wetter than this. It's May 2nd, and the temperature, it's in the 80s, probably 81, 82, breezy, and a beautiful day. I mean, the humidity is low, so it's really nice. So over here you got your electrical meter. Okay, and what very nice landscape. Check it out. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move inside. Let me give me a second here. We're gonna go inside. As you can see, the entrance is wide. It's not tight, claustrophobic. You have a beautiful entrance door. It's a nice keypad. We're in. Okay, let's take a quick look of the detail here. Check out the entrance. Check out the comfort ceiling with the crown moldings here and over here. You also have the nice baseboard and tall doors everywhere. So very nice. I like the entrance. It's very wide. I don't know if you can visualize it in the video, but it's a nice wide entrance and you can see all the way to the back. Let's say if you have a pool, you will be able to see it right as you come in. So very nice. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start here, room number 1. Remember, it only has 2 bedrooms and a den. Okay, this is bedroom number 1, so in the front. It's a very nice, spacious room. You got your TV hookup over there. And you got, you got 2 outlets. So if you put the bed in the middle, you have one for each side. So that's nice. I mean, it has plenty of outlets. Now we move here. Here you have a nice closet. Over here you got a guest bathroom. Over here you got another closet. So plenty of closet space. And let's take a closer look at the guest bathroom. Okay, you got your nice cabinets. Your bathtub with tile back. Okay, let's keep going. So here's your den. So first let's go over to the laundry. You got your laundry room here. You got your hookup for the tub there. Okay, and over here you have the AC. So it's nice that you have the AC back here in the middle of the house. So it's less noise. Okay, over here you got another closet. Actually, the way this is set up, this is the door of the garage. So you have an area here to put your stuff when you're coming in, and if you have a coat or something, you could hang it here. So it's nice. Let's look at that garage. Check out this garage. 3-car garage. Over there's your water heater and your electrical panel. Oh, and I forgot to show you here behind this door is where your internet connections go. Okay, here's where your Wi-Fi, you can put all your internet stuff there. So that's nice to have inside in a place, you know. Okay, let's keep going now over to the den. The den, check out those nice windows, plenty of light. And it has a nice size there with the pocket doors. So it doesn't take no space of anything. Okay, now we're gonna move over here to the living room and kitchen area. Take a look at it. And back there's the dining room. But first, let's go over to the master bedroom, then we'll finish it out over here. Okay, so this is the master. Check out the big window there. Plenty of light, very nice. And it's a nice size. Nice coffer ceilings. Very nice size. And the bathroom is really nice too. As you come in, you're welcome with a shower. Look at that shower. So walk in, you come in, you got set your water there, and you go in. It has a bench and a big sprayer there. So very nice. I really like this shower. And you also have those two windows on each side to bring a lot of light inside. So beautiful glass, very nice. And over here also the vanity. Check out that vanity top there. Tell you the truth, I don't know if it's Corian or quartz. I'm gonna ask the builder what it is, because I don't know what it is. It's nice. It feels kind of rocky, so it might be quartz. It's the same as the one in the other bathroom, but it's kind of can't tell. I think it's actually, I think it's quartz or some kind of solid material. Over here's your closet bathroom. Closet bathroom, toilet closet. Over here is your closet. Check out the size of this closet. Plenty of space for a lot of clothing here. Come over here. Nice size closet here. Just gonna look at the vanity. Yeah, definitely it's some kind of solid probably quartz or some kind of solid top. I mean, it's not Korean. Then we will move back to the living room. Okay, remember what I was talking about the sliding door before? That sliding door, when you open it, it goes all the way behind that corner, the wall, so this becomes completely open. So that's really nice. If you decide to screen the lanai area, you have that. If you decide to put a pool, then all of this becomes part of the home. Or when you open the doors like that, they look very nice. And this is another view of the living room. Tell me what you think about it, what you think about the furniture, if you like the layout. And remember, if you would like to know the price of this home, go on the link below in the description, okay? Let's do now the kitchen. They're very nice island. Same material as the bathroom, most likely it's quartz. But I'll ask the builder to be 100%. And you can see here, you can see the bottom of it. You got cabinets. This is nice. Look at this. All of those are cabinets. You got plenty of space to put stuff here. And also you have that beautiful stainless steel refrigerator there. And the nice thing also, you have the microwave and the oven in one area. And then you got your range on that area over there. So that's, a lot of people tending to like that. So and then over here, you have a very nice pantry. And actually, you could put more shelves if you want, you know, for things that you don't usually take out. And check out that. You got a lot of cabinets here, plus that pantry. So if you're into cooking, this is a nice kitchen. Over here, you got your range. Let's focus on that. And the backsplash with the marble look, it's really nice. Goes really nice with the gray. And you got your stainless steel exhaust here. Nice. And on this side, you got all this cabinets also, and you got your dishwasher there. And this is what they're doing you got your recycle. You can put two bins, one for recycle and one for trash right there on the side. So you don't have those trash cans hanging around. That's nice. And then over here, this is your dining room. Plenty of space. Nice conference ceiling also. And nice, you know, nice size. I mean, you got space here. And also you got that double window that brings a lot of lighting in this area. It's nice. Check out the lights hanging from the ceiling, nice. And your stainless steel sink here. What is nice about this home is that if you're, oops, sorry, that some issue with my camera here. Second there. Oh God, playing games with me. I'm sorry about that. Looks like it was possessed. Okay, so what I was saying is the nice thing about this kitchen here is that you could entertain at the same time that you're preparing the food or getting ready to serve. I mean, you have your dining room right there and you have your living room right there, so you could be talking to everybody while you're cooking or preparing the food. So that's nice. So basically this is the Estero floor plan, okay? And let me repeat myself again. It's 1,981 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, and 3-car garage. Okay, let me know what you think about this beautiful floor plan here. If you like the idea that it only has 2 bedrooms, if you like the idea that they took a bedroom out, but they're giving you a lot of more detail. You can see a lot of the detail in the home. So I don't know, tell me what you think about it. And remember, if you're thinking of buying a home here in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Southwest Florida area, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in this area for over 20 years. And if you need any help, we would love to help you out, okay? So if you're new to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. And that way you will get more videos like this. Right now I'm working on a lot of new videos, so if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, feel free to hit the subscribe button, okay? And for my past clients and subscribers, I don't know if you guys got to see my video of my award. I owe it all to you guys and all my friends and family. I mean, without you guys in this channel that actually came over and bought from us, and for the last 2 years, you're really helping us out here. So thank you. And I'm gonna put the link on the bottom so you can still see the award that they gave us, okay? So thanks a lot, all of you guys out there, for helping us out in the last 2 years since I started doing a lot of videos on my channel. So, and I know a lot of you are coming, so for you that are coming, just be patient. Cape Coral is not moving from here, or this area is not moving, so just if you're coming, just keep watching the channel. If you're already working with my wife, sending you homes and getting you more aware of what's going on here, can't wait to meet you guys when you get here, okay? So sending off from Northwest Cape Coral. See you on the next video.